Makakausap natin ngayon sa telepono ang tagapagsalita ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada na si Attorney Alexis Abastillas. Magandang hapon po, Attorney Abastillas.
Yes, magandang hapon po.
Apo, ma'am, ngayon po na ang bola ay nasa Sandigan Bayan na. Ano pong legal remedies pa yung available para po kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada at ang inyong susunod na hakbang?
Yung para po sa amin, we are already preparing our motion for the judicial determination of probable cause to the Sandigan Bayan. And at the same time, we will also be filing our petition for certiorari to the Supreme Court.
Ito po ay para unahan po ang paglalabas ng warrant of arrest?
Opo, kasi pag na-file na po yung information sa Sandigan Bayan, we will be asking for the Sandigan Bayan justices to personally examine and evaluate the evidence presented before it and the record. So it is for them also to determine if there is a probable cause, and whether or not there is probable cause, it will depend kung mai-issue yung warrant of arrest.
Ano po reaction yung attorney dun sa sinabi ng Sandigan Bayan na reiteration lamang yung inyong motion for reconsideration sa ombudsman at wala raw kayong naipresentang bago dun sa inyong MR sa ombudsman?
Yung sinabi ng ombudsman.
Oho, na reiteration lamang. May bago ho ba kayong argumento?
May mga arguments kami na like there is a violation of the constitutional right to due process of the Senator Jinggoy. Kasi, as you know, we also have a pending incident to the Supreme Court regarding that issue. Kasi, hello?
Opo, yes ma'am, go ahead.
Because they issued the resolution finding probable cause, tapos, after na lang nila na-issue yung resolution na yon, doon na lang nila binigay yung affidavit that we requested before. Before sila nag-issue ng resolution, we requested for the affidavits of the witnesses that they used and the counter-affidavits of the other respondents. And at first, they denied it. And after issuing the resolution, the finding probable cause, and after we filed the violation for the constitutional rights of Senator Jinggoy sa Supreme Court, the next day, right after, doon lang nila binigyan kami ng mga affidavits na hinihingi namin. And yung binigay nila sa amin, hindi pa kompleto. Kulang-kulang. So, that's one of the issues that we raised in our MR.
Yung pong dinulog nyo pong kaso sa Supreme Court, kaugnay rin ito, inaasahan nyo bang ito'y mare-resolve agad ng Supreme Court?
Well, we are hoping kasi the Supreme Court already acted on it. They already ordered the ombudsman to file their comment within an inextendable period of 10 days. So we are hoping that they will already act on it.
Nakausap niyo po si Senator Estrada with this development ngayong hapon?
Ay, hindi pa po.
Kung sakasakali hubat maglabas ng warrant of arrest ang Sandigan Bayan, ay kusa ho bang susuko si Senator Estrada?
Opo, kusa naman pong susuko. Alam nga naman magsasago po may warrant of arrest na. Hindi naman kasi iniisip namin na magtatago si Senator.
Hindi para siya arestuhin pa, kundi yung voluntarily ay pupunta siya sa korte para isurrender ang sarili niya.
Pwede rin yun. Mas maganda.
Opo. Sige, maraming salamat po, Attorney Alexis Abastillas.
Okay, thank you.
Opo, tagapagsalita ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada.